And the absolute crown jewel of this silent execution is the unexpected, early arrival of the completely reimagined Apple Mac Mini powered by the M5 generation of custom silicon. This is the hardware that the supply chain insisted was further down the roadmap. Tech insiders were told that the manufacturing yields for high-density compact logic boards were too complex, that custom silicon thermal constraints in microenclosures had stalled development, and that the previous architecture would have to hold the line for the foreseeable future. It was all a brilliant smokescreen. Apple wasn't delaying production. They were perfecting a machine architecture that introduces a level of computational fidelity that defies standard industry metrics. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The Mac Mini M5 isn't just an upgrade. It is a total reinvention of what an ultra-compact computer can be. For the first time on an affordable desktop computer, Apple has successfully shrunk the structural footprint to a size that literally fits in the palm of your hand, while simultaneously expanding its capabilities to challenge massive, power-hungry gaming rigs and server blades. But a premium miniature desktop is absolutely nothing without raw computing power, and this is where Apple has weaponized its engineering dominance to attack the entire personal computer market. The Mac Mini is powered by the terrifying, unannounced arrival of the M5 system-on-a-chip architecture. This chip isn't just an evolutionary upgrade. It is a total reinvention of what custom silicon can achieve in a thermal envelope this tight. For the first time in desktop history, Apple has successfully implemented an ultra-dense, next-generation manufacturing process inside a miniature desktop system. Bypassing the power efficiency and overheating limitations that plague traditional PC hardware, Apple has packed an astronomical, unprecedented number of transistors into a single piece of microscopic silicon. This processor operates on completely different laws of efficiency compared to traditional PC desktop towers. We are talking about an architecture that processes data at speeds that don't just feel fast, they feel instant. The bandwidth on this chip is so massive that it treats heavy, complex datasets, massive multi-stream video arrays, and hyper-complex local language models not as a heavy lifting task, but as a basic background operation. The true genius lies in how this chip handles graphical processing and unified memory inside the impossibly small enclosure of the new Mac Mini M5. In a traditional high-end PC setup, you have a separate central processor and a massive, power-hungry, dedicated graphics card sitting in a giant tower under your desk that generates immense heat and draws hundreds of watts of power from your wall. The Mac Mini M5 eliminates that entire physical barrier. It features a completely overhauled, hyper-wide unified memory architecture that allows the central processor and the graphics cores to share the exact same pool of ultra-fast memory instantaneously. The latency is practically zero. When you look at early internal testing metrics leaking from high-end rendering software and compilation tools, the results are terrifying. This miniature silver block, this sleek, beautifully small piece of aluminum that sits elegantly on a corner of your desk, is delivering graphical rendering speeds and computational throughput that rival massive desktop towers with dedicated graphics cards. Apple's architecture achieves this performance in complete silence, running with a fraction of the power consumption of a standard desktop bulb. It is a level of efficiency that shouldn't be physically possible, and it completely shifts the balance of power in the tech industry. To make this hardware even more devastating, Apple didn't just focus on raw speed. They engineered this compact desktop to be the ultimate, uncompromised weapon for the rapidly evolving world of local artificial intelligence. Over the last few years, the entire tech landscape has shifted